It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
This week we're trying Cadbury Creme Egg Cookies. It says there are 8 cookies in the pack, 2 cookies per serving. Who's ready to try one?
Me! Ooh, cookie.
Scoot over. I need to try a cookie.
Whoa.
Ooh, there's a yolk.
Mine didn't have any yolk.
Take a bigger bite.
Like marshmallows.
Yeah, it tastes kind of like chocolate slash s'more.
But I bit into it.
I'm not impressed.
It's pretty good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Then the orange part is a lot more sweeter than the regular white part.
I don't know, I'm gonna go in the middle. I'm going in the middle.
I'd say they're a thumbs up.
It's chocolate, so it gets a thumbs up, or a half of a thumb up, just because it has chocolate.
Go thumb up.
2 thumbs up?
That's really good.
So have you guys ever tried the Cadbury Creme Eggs?
No, I don't think I
I
have.
don't think so.
Well, you have, but you don't remember them?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you don't know how it compares to that. Let's ask Dad. How does it compare to a Cadbury Creme Egg?
The cookie wafer part messes it up, so it doesn't taste the same. Cadbury Creme Egg would be better.
All right, our turn. So it does have the filling inside, just like an egg.
Make them.
That's really sweet.
Really gotta bite far to get the cream in it, though.
Mm-hmm. Got the yellow in it, too.
The cream kind of tastes like marshmallows.
It is more s'more tasting.
Marshmallows?
It's pretty good. I wouldn't compare it to a Cadbury egg
Marshmallows.
because it doesn't taste anything like it, but it's good.
They are good. If you wanted a Cadbury egg, definitely get a Cadbury egg.
Mom,
If you wanted a s'more,
Mom,
these would be good.
Mom, it's compared to marshmallows.
Is it?
I prefer one of those then.
You heard that? Emmett said it's compared to marshmallows. I'd give it a thumbs up, but I probably wouldn't buy them again. They're very sweet.
I think that they're better than like those chocolate eggs that are hollow. Like that some people use for Easter. They're better than those, yet they're not as good as some these for Easter.
Yeah, I'd say they're way too sweet. Serving size is 2, but I don't think I could eat 2. 1 would definitely be the limit. But they're tasty.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.